Salam, shalom, may the peace of our Lord Jesus Christ be upon us all. Kumusta mo tanan? We hope all is well. A-okay sa tanan. So, for this video, ubani ko, we will go to, or I will go rather sa isa sa among camp, who will be having a auditing, inspection sa higher authority. So the health and safety authority sa among in charge sa among isa sa among kampo will check sa welfare inspection sa among isa sa among kampo. So isa sa i-check sa health and safety authority is our treatment room dito. So itanaw ko will be in charge sa kung say naa sa treatment room sa mga medical items, equipments kung kumpleto ba may. So yeah, I'll be heading there. Fingers crossed nga okay tanan, pasado. And yeah, I just want to share to you kung how traffic, no, it is common, or halimbawa ang kadaghanan diri that Sharjah going to Dubai traffic is so, bumper to bumper ang situation. So this is the situation. Let's see, too much traffic, murag EDSA tali sa to So time karon is like 9 o'clock in the morning. So hantod pa tingali ni alas 10 sa buntag. So salute ta sa mga tao nga adlaw-adlaw nga moagi diri sa Sharjah to Dubai road. Traffic jud na kada adlaw. So yes, I will see you sa kampo na, and as what I've said, hopefully pasarta aron wala na yung mga comments and penalties na mahimo sa authority. See you there. So niabot na ta sa isa sa among camp, no, employee camps. So tanawon na to ang treatment room kung okay ba or unsa man gani. So hope nga makapasar sa audit. So see you sa among medical treatment room. So now this is our first aid treatment room. And this is Mr. Santosh, the male nurse here. All is well, yeah, brother? Good?
Yes.
Thank you. About sa audit nga supposedly himuon karon, it was cancelled. It is not sadly nga na-cancel. It is beneficial for us. The auditors accepted the paperwork nga kinahanglan aron makapasar, or like it's not necessary nga mag-audit sila karon. So thankful me nga it was cancelled, and hoping in 3 months time or 5 months time baka mag-audit na po sila balik. So it's okay also kasi kay naka-visit ko sa treatment room dito sa camp namo. So yeah, the journey padung dito sa camp is okay po kay nakabisita ko. So I'm we are just waiting for the next audit. So mura to guys. So that's it, Pansit.